What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Maya Credit Card Delivery. Pag-uusapan natin guys, gaano nga ba katagal yung Maya Credit Card Delivery at saka kung ilang araw. At saka kung ano yung dapat nyong gawin kapag hindi dumating sa delivery address ninyo yung Maya Credit Card ninyo. Kasi minsan hindi talaga dumarating guys, nagkakaligaw-ligaw sila. At saka i-share ko din sa inyo guys yung mga important notes about Maya Credit Card Delivery at the same time kung saan kayo tatawag para mag-update ng status about your Maya Credit Card Delivery. At the same time para mag-request kayo ng pick up by branch kasi 'di ba si Maya Credit Card is nag-collab sila with Landers. So ngayon, kung ano yung dapat nyo gawin kapag hindi nyo na-receive yung Maya Credit Card na yun. At saka yung hotline number, i-share ko sa inyo kung saan kayo tatawag. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, Maya Credit Card physical card delivery typically takes up to 4 working days for Metro Manila and up to 10 working days for other areas. Once approved, you can immediately use the digital version of your card in the application for online transactions. So ano nga ba ibig sabihin na ito guys? Isa-isahin natin. Maya Credit Card physical card delivery typically takes up to 4 working days for Metro Manila. So kapag yung delivery address ninyo guys, nung nag-apply kayo ng Maya Credit Card, is within Metro Manila, like Quezon City, Fairview, Pasig, Mandaluyong, Parañaque, 4 working days lang yung delivery doon, darating na agad. Tapos, up to 10 working days for other areas, like Province, Laguna, Masbate, Romblon, lalong-lalo na sa Mindanao. Mas matagal doon kasi nasa mababang na siya ng mapa ng Pilipinas kasi nagmumula pa ito sa Metro Manila yung credit card ninyo. As you can see, working days. So meaning, hindi kasama dito yung holidays at saka weekends kung mapapansin nyo. So sa bilang, hindi nyo dapat isinasama yung holidays at saka weekends kasi exclusive lang talaga siya for working days. Once approved, you can immediately use the digital version of your card in the application for online transactions. So ano nga ba ibig sabihin na ito guys? The moment you applied for a Maya credit card, tapos na-approve, pwede nyo agad gamitin yung digital version or yung Maya Credit Card Virtual Card. Take note lang na para lang ito sa online transactions. From the word itself, Virtual Credit Card or Maya Virtual Credit Card. So ito yung breakdown guys about the deliveries, no? Metro Manila is up to working days tulad ng sabi ko kanina. Provincial, other areas is up to 10 working days. Then delivery courier, usually delivered by partners like Ninja Van. So as you can see, yung most courier guys, yung kadalasang kumbaga shipping company ni Maya na pinapadala ng credit cards ninyo is yung Ninja Van. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo doon. Important notes. So ito yung mga important notes guys about Maya Credit Card Delivery. You must have an approved application to trigger a physical or the physical card delivery. So of course, kailangan mo na nung nag-apply kayo ng Maya Credit Card is na-approve yun. Kasi kapag hindi, so ano yung i-deliver sa inyo? Walang physical card na darating sa inyo. Do not expect. Like for example, nag-apply kayo, so mag-expect agad kayo ng physical credit card ni Maya. Huwag po ganun. Antayin nyo muna yung notification na approve yung application ninyo. Ensure the address provided is correct as the card is sent to that address. So make sure lang guys, of course, yung delivery address ninyo nung nag-apply kayo ng Maya Credit Card is talagang updated siya. Kasi doon yun i-deliver. Like for example, lumipat pala kayo ng bahay at hindi na-update. So yun lang. Maliligaw yung credit card ninyo. Kaya naman kapag nag-apply kayo tapos lilipat kayo ng bahay, make sure to call Maya Customer Service para magpa-update ng delivery address. At hindi lang yun. Kailangan din yung mobile number guys. Nung nag-apply kayo ng Maya of course, is dapat na-open nyo talaga or na-access. Especially yung email. Kasi kailangan talaga yun para at least updated kayo sa credit card delivery ng Maya credit card ninyo. If you haven't received your card after 15 working days, contact Maya support via Apps Help Center. Siguro aware naman kayo sa Maya, no? Since may Maya account kayo, savings account, tapos nag-apply kayo ng Maya credit card. Kasi take note lang guys, hindi kayo basta-basta ma-approve sa Maya kapag wala kayong savings account sa kanila. Kailangan nyo muna magkaroon ng savings account at dapat may laman yun para ma-qualify ka for Maya credit card. So ito yung official hotline guys ng Maya credit card. Our hotline is open daily from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. But you can call us 24/7 to report emergencies, including lost, stolen phones, or unauthorized transactions. 632-8845-7788. Yun yung hotline number nila. Ngayon, 1-800-1084-57788, domestic toll-free for PLDT users. So kapag ano naman kayo guys, if ever na may PLDT landline kayo, libre lang siya, domestic toll-free. Yung i-dial nyo is 1-800-10184-57784. Ito naman, may isa pang hotline which is kapag within Metro Manila, 632-8845-7788. So, ganun yung kaibahan ng customer service hotline ni Maya kung alin yung itatawagan ninyo. So, much better guys, diretso na kayo sa 1-800-1084-57788. Kasi kahit nasa outside Metro Manila kayo or within Metro Manila, makakakonect pa rin kayo. Ito guys, one thing to consider para successfully delivered talaga yung Maya credit card ninyo sa delivery address ninyo, make sure lang na yung delivery address ninyo guys is ilagay ninyo yung landmark na kung saan madaling malocate ni rider or ni courier. Para hindi pa balik-balik kasi maraming attempts yan kapag hindi talaga malocate yung address ninyo. Kailangan talaga is detailed siya. Kung may malapit na school, malapit na building, malapit na street na kung saan sikat, madaling mahanap, make sure to include it to your address. Di ba minsan nakalagay doon sa credit card application about your address is nakalagay doon, may mga address doon, di ba? Ilagay ninyo yung detailed address talaga para mas mabilis mahanap ni rider. Kasi minsan hindi nila alam, so nagkakagulo-gulo, lalo-lalo na yung house number, yung street. Kasi kapag nagkamali kayo dyan, talagang maliligaw yung credit card delivery ng Maya credit card ninyo. At the same time, uulitin ko lang yung mobile number. Dapat na-access nyo, tsaka yung email address. Kasi time will come, kapag may transaction kayo sa Maya credit card, kailangan yung OTP. At tsaka yung iba pa, meron pang, kung kailangan yung verification about sa login ninyo, kailangan nyo mag-login sa application, syempre kailangan nyo talaga na-access yung Maya application para at least talaga ma-check ninyo yung mga transactions, mamaya nagkaroon ng unauthorized transactions, at kung may mga kailangan i-update, kailangan yung mobile number at saka email address para ma-verify ang account ninyo. Kaya hindi nyo dapat yun binabaliwala. Ngayon, kung kailangan nyo mag-update, kailangan nyo lang tumawag sa Maya Customer Service Official Hotline Number, which is yung sinabi ko kanina, yung pinakita ko kanina, para mag-update tsaka ng address at tsaka ng kung ano-ano pa. Ngayon, kung hindi talaga dumating yung credit card delivery, mag-request na lang kayo ng pick up by branch. Kasi as far as I know, partner sila ni Landers, ni Maya. Ngayon, pwede kayong mag-request ng pick up by branch sa Landers na kung saan may malapit. Make sure lang guys na malapit kayo sa Landers branch na yon. Siguro aware naman kayo sa Landers, no? Since aware kayo sa Maya. So si Maya kasi is promote si Landers. Ngayon, kung may malapit na Landers sa inyo, doon nyo na lang ipadrop yung Maya credit card ninyo para at least sure na makuha ninyo kapag hindi talaga siya dumarating sa delivery address or sa bahay ninyo. Tapos ito pa guys, take note lang in using Maya credit card na may mga interest talaga yan kapag hindi nyo nabayaran. So make sure to pay it off kapag dumating na yung statement balance para iwas interest charges. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we didn't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!